All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get the Android Auto unit installed as soon as I get it out of my pocket. There we go. All right, first thing, we're gonna go ahead and remove our cable. We're gonna go ahead and plug in our USB right into the USB port. So after plugging it into your USB port, give it about a minute or two, and it should show up as the Smart Link box. And we are pairing. Pair it up. Go ahead and hit Android Auto. Sure. There we are. Smart box. Okay, so at this point, I have connected my phone via Bluetooth to the smart box. Took a bit for it to come up to the point where you almost think it's not going to connect, but then it does. It registers as basically a new car on your phone. One more thing I'm going to point out. Kick the ignition on. It's going to go right over to smart box. Make sure your phone has the Bluetooth already on, and as you can see, connects right away. Don't want to get copyrighted here, but yeah, works great.